Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money with Western Union app. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open the Western Union application in your mobile and then you have to select your country. You can search in the top and select your country. Then simply tap on this next in the bottom. Tap on this allow. You need to give Western Union your location access. Tap while using app option. This is the Western Union application home page. As you can see here, you can search for Western Union agent location and know when your money has been received by the receiver. To send or receive money using the Western Union application, left click the find location option here. Here you can find the nearest location to your house shown with the distance in kilometers. Go to these locations to submit or receive your money. For example, if you want to send money, look for the nearest location to your house, deposit the money there and enter the details of the receiver. The money will be sent to the receiver who will be notified on the Western Union application. If you are the receiver, left click the track option at the bottom. If you are receiver, tap on this track option in the bottom, enter the track number and click on the track it option. Here you can choose whether you are the sender or the receiver. If you are the receiver, tap the receiver option, enter the 10-digit tracking code, and then click the track it option. You will be able to track where your money is and when you can receive it. You simply have to physically go to these locations and submit your money. And that's pretty much it. That's how to transfer money with Western Union app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.